Having trouble inserting your jewelry into that tricky nostril or lip piercing? Hey, it's Riley with Bodyartforms.com, and we're going to talk about how you can use threaded and threadless tapers to get that finicky jewelry back in. To start off, you're going to want to taper with a threaded or threadless design that matches the jewelry you need inserted. If you have an internally threaded post, you will need a threaded taper in the corresponding gauge size, and a threadless post will require a threadless taper. To start off, make sure your piercing is fully healed and that your piercing, hands, taper, and jewelry are all clean. If you need, you can also use a bit of salve on your piercing and on the taper to reduce friction and ease insertion, though this isn't recommended for lip or other oral piercings. Once prepped, take your taper and gently slide it through your piercing. Be mindful of which direction your jewelry will face and make sure the threaded or threadless end of the taper is on the correct side. With the taper inserted, take your jewelry and attach it to the threaded or threadless end. If working with a threadless taper, you may need to bend the pin ever so slightly so that it can hold the jewelry. Make sure it's not too tight. You just need it to have enough tension to stay attached. Now, gently pull the taper back through your piercing, using one finger behind the jewelry to guide it through as well. Once the jewelry is in place, remove the taper and attach the threaded or threadless end of your choice. And you're done! Was this helpful? Feel free to let us know in the comments. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. As always, thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe and follow us on all of our social at Bodyartforms. And if you liked any of the jewelry shown in this video, you can find it and thousands of other jewelry designs on Bodyartforms.com.